The next concept is volume. Now, what is volume? The matter contained in a solid object is called its volume, or the space occupied by 3D space is also called volume. Now, what does this mean? Suppose this is an object. Now, what is first we'll go through a base revision. Now, perimeter means the length or the sides, length, breadth, or the sides of the object. This is perimeter. Now, if I keep this box on this table, the area what is occupied by this box, suppose I keep it like this, whatever space it takes, this much space it is occupying on this paper. So that is area. Now, what is volume? Volume is, suppose, how much matter is present in this box. Okay, this is a box. So how much matter is present in this box, that is a volume. So we will be studying a three-dimensional object and we'll find out how to find out the volume. Now here in one dimension we just take length, or in one dimension means only length is considered. Now here if I take 1 unit, this much is 1 unit. Now if this line or this length, I have to say how many this 1 units will fit in this length. So I say 3 units. This is 1 unit. So in one dimension, this 3 units fit in this length. So it is 3 units. For example, if this is 1 centimeter, so I'll find out how many centimeter fits in this length. So I got the answer 3 centimeters will, if I take out this unit and if I put it in this place, I'll get 3 units. That means 3, this small parts, 3 parts will fit in this length. So this is 3 units. In 2D objects or two-dimensional objects, we consider length and breadth. Now, if I draw a square like this with 1 unit sides, that is its length and its breadth, they both are 1 units. So in this box, if I draw this figure, how many these units will fit in this square? So if I take this and I put it on this box, I'll see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 units will fit in this much area. So my area is 9. So how you got this 9 is this length into this breadth, it is 3 into 3 is 9. Now the units we write it as square. One more example. Suppose this is a square. I have to find out how many these small units will fit in this big square. Okay, so this, if I take this unit and I fix it in this unit, in this square, I will say that okay, 4 small squares will fit in this big square. So my area will be, now this is 1 and this is 2. So 1 and this is 1. So total is 2. Okay, this total is 2. So 2 is my breadth and 2 is my length. So the area is 2 into 2. So let us see the 3D object. Now 3D object will have length, breadth and height. Now if suppose this is my length, this is my breadth, so this will be my height. So this is length. If I hold my object like this side is my length, this is my breadth and this is my height. So when you are considering object, this is length, breadth and height. So if you take a Lego block or any square block, all this will be 1 unit. So if I take one Lego box and make a stack of it, if I put stack means if I put one above the other. So in this box, how many such small boxes I can fit? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have made a layer of 4 boxes on top and 4 boxes down. So this is 2 units, this is 2 units, and this height, this is 2 units here. Okay, so volume will be length into breadth into height. So 2 into 2 into 2, I get 8 units cube. Why cube? Because here we are using 3 dimension, 1, 2, 3. So we write it cubes. If I take this box, if I go on fitting like this, you must be playing Lego, so you can try at home. If I make a stack of 4 blocks, 4 layers, this is my first layer, my second layer, this is first, second, third and fourth. So I make 4 layers of 4 blocks each. So in one layer, how many blocks I am putting? 4. This box, this is 1 unit, so I am taking 1 here, I am putting this unit here, I am putting this block here, I am putting this block here. So like that I am making 4 layers. So if you see, this is 2 units, this is 2 units, and this is 4 units. So length into breadth into height. So that will be my volume. So here, if you see, this is a cube, this is top layer. There are 4 blocks which I have shown you. This unit block, if you put and place it one above the other, so how many? This is top layer, this is bottom layer. So how many units you will get? So what will be the volume it will be occupying is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 boxes, right? So we'll get answer as 8 cubic units. Your cubic means, okay, units, so we write cube like this. So this is cubic. So you can write the units this way, or you can write it this way, or you can write this way. All are the signs which you use for, or the units which we use to write volume. Now here they had given 2 into 2 into 1, because here if you see 2, 2 and 2, okay, these are 2, 2 and 2. Now how much it is of this 2 unit? It is made up of 1 unit, right? This is 1 unit. This block is of 1 unit, right? So 1 unit plus this 1 unit. So it will be 2 units. So in 2 into 1 cubic units, side into side. Now for cube, we write side into side, because all of them are of same side, same length. For cube, the lengths will be same. So we write side into side into side. For cuboid, the number of units a cube contains is in its 4 layers. The number of layers are 4. So there are how many layers? 4 layers. So now the total number of units given in the cuboid is 4 into 4. If you see this, there are 4 layers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are writing 4 into 4, that is 16. So total number of unit cubes will be 16. So we will find the volume of cuboid. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So its length is 2 units, its breadth is 2 units, and its height is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay, so we write 2 into 2 into 4, that is length into breadth. Now breadth can also be said as width, width and breadth both are same. So length into breadth or width into height, cubic units. Cubic means I have shown you like this, you write units upon cube. This is this and this both are same. The edge of the cube and the cuboids are measured in centimeters or meters. Now, when in exam or in when we solve the, not in exam, but when we solve any problem based on the volume, we measure it either in centimeter or meter. So you will be writing centimeter cube or meter cube. This is one way of writing, and second way of writing is cube centimeter or cube meter. Both are correct. You can write the units in either of the way. If solid, in solids, breadth is usually termed as width, height is something taken as depth. So breadth and width are same, height and depth are same. Let us solve an example here. Find the volume of the given figure when 1 cubic, when this block is 1 cubic centimeter. So now in this how many cubes of this 1 cubic centimeter are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 units. Since it is a square, they both are 5, 5, and the height, this is a height. So this will be also 5. This height will also be 5. So 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125 cubic centimeter. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So one layer is having 25 squares. So 5 layers will be having 125, that is 5 into 5 stacks. So the volume of the cube we write it as 5 side into side into side. This is a formula. Volume of a cube is equal to this for B. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 cubes here. So how many stacks are there? 9. 1, 2, 3. So 9 threes are 27. Yes. So with this we will write the. So how can you explain this for volume? Volume of a cube is, this is 3. This is 3. And see this height. Yes. So this height is also 3. This is length, breadth and height. But in square, all of them are not, we don't take length, breadth and height. We take side and side. So we get the answer as 27 cube or cube 20 or 27 cube centimeter. We'll solve example 5. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Now perimeter is the total of the length of all the sides. So perimeter of the given figure is sum of all its sides. So it will be sum of. Now if you say 7.8, this plus 3.5 plus 4.5 plus 3.8, 3.3 and 7.2. So when you add all of them, you get the sum as 30. I will add and show 7.8 plus 3.4 plus 4.5 plus 3.8 plus 3.3. Now your 8 plus 4, 12, 17, 18, 19, 20, 28 and 30. So 3, 0, 7 plus 7, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17 plus 320 plus 323, 26 and 430. So 30. Now if you see here, the decimal point is after the units place. So same way, after the units place I will write the decimal. So my answer is equal to 30.0. So after decimal, if it is 0, you can directly write the answer as 30. So we are writing 30 centimeter. Next is find out the volume of the following solids. The volume of each cube is 1 centimeter. Now they have said that this cube, okay, this cube, this is 1 centimeter. So how many cubes are fitted in this structure? Now this will be 1 cube, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7, and below this 7 there will be one more cube, that is 8. So the number of cubes at the bottom are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 below this 7. Okay, we can write it. This is 8 and the below one is 7. So there are 7 cubes in the bottom and this one cube is at the top. So total how many cubes are there? There are 8 cubes. So if one cube is 1 centimeter, so 8 cubes are how many? 8 centimeters. So 8 into 1 cubic centimeter is 8 cubic centimeter. Similarly here, if you see how many blocks are at the bottom? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, they are below this 2. They are below this 2. So 5 at the bottom, okay, 6, 7 and at the top we have 2. So the volume of one cube is how much? Volume of one cube is 1 cubic centimeter. So therefore volume of this whole cube given solid is equal to volume of this given solid is equal to 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 into 1, that is equal to 7 cubic centimeter. Okay, so this way you will find out the volume of this cubes.